In this video, we're going to walk through how to read your form reporting, specifically explaining what the difference between the unique and total submissions are. From the Forms dashboard, you can either hover over to the left side navigation and select Forms, Manage Forms, or you can simply click the shortcut link on the dashboard to manage forms. So from this management grid, you can see a brief snapshot in this column showing you the total number of submissions the form has received. To see your full report, hover over to the last column on the right side of the screen and click the three dots. Select Form Summary Report from the list of drop-down options. The Form Summary Report is pretty straightforward and easy to read. You have this first column telling you which form the design submission came from, the total number of submissions received in this column, and then finally the total number of unique submissions. So for this example, you can see that I had 6 total submissions, but only 5 of them were unique. Note the submission being unique or not is determined by the email address the user inputs into the form. This way, if submissions come in under more commonly used names and there are duplicates, those are still counted as unique. Depending on what your KPI or KPIs are, the unique submissions may or may not always be of value to you. Likewise with total submissions. There are definitely instances in which both data points could be of use or what you need to determine your overall performance. Just for example, if overall engagement with your form is the most important, the total submissions might be the most value to you. However, if for example your main performance indicator is new subscribers or submissions for new customers to market to, unique submissions is likely to be of more value since duplicate submissions don't really benefit you in that case. Another important thing to point out in this report is that you can get to your full list of actual submissions easily by clicking on the Total Submissions column and clicking the number. This will take you to the Form Summary Detail Report. So to give you more explanation into the total versus unique, you can see in my list of submissions for this form that 2 of the emails are the same, which is why there are only 5 unique submissions. If you then scroll over to the right, you can see all the other available data points that you could have possibly included in your form, such as phone number, address, credit card information, as well as when the actual submissions were created. Note, within this detailed report, you can use the date picker to narrow down the date range if you need submissions from a certain time period. So that's it. You've just had a quick walkthrough of how to read your form reporting. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when a new video drops. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.